Hey guys, Tony here. CCIV just took a major dump after hours. It can't be coincidence that somebody might know something that we don't, right? Especially with potentially the official announcement coming out tomorrow. I do think that maybe somebody knows something that we don't, but again, we have to wait till tomorrow. Maybe this can just be dumped. Somebody could just be dumping their position because they just don't want to be in CCIV anymore, or maybe they just don't want to actually hold the position post merger, right? So there's a lot of things that can happen. As of right now, we don't know 100% why this dumping reason actually happened, but it seems like it's bouncing. Whoops. It seems like it bounced off that 45 off that 45 level, and it's going back up. Where can it actually be? Yeah, drop lower. I would have to do TA to see what the actual price ranges are, but yeah, Lucid dropping at, well, not really Lucid, right? We don't even know yet, but dropping after hours could be potentially because somebody knows something that we don't for tomorrow, or maybe somebody just dumping their position just because they think that tomorrow might not be like the best the best green day for them, right? Especially after all EVs took a huge dump, and I was surprised that we actually went down, because all other EVs took a huge fall, right? And CCIV was the only EV company to actually stay up during trading hours, which is actually pretty good, because Tesla took a dump, NIO took a dump, all EV companies took a huge dump. And the weird part was CCIV didn't. It stayed strong throughout the whole day, and then right now after hours, which is pretty crazy that it actually dumped like this, right? So we'll have to wait till tomorrow. We'll have to see what's going on, and then if we have any updates, I'll definitely make a video. But if you guys have updates, definitely put them in the comments, and all we have to do is just kind of wait and see.